first official day without mom and dad. And Jesus is crying with this heavy rain, bro. Home. This is heavy ass rain, dude.
Perfect.
Sige. Salamat. We don't like make them feel claustrophobic while standing next to them, but yeah, they got mad respect from us. Look at that. Look at this, bro. It's like a hidden Superman motorcycle. Look at that. That's so cool. I don't want to get too close because... So per usual, things don't really go according to plan. What do you call Cube Keeker was kind of assuming that there's going to be people here to hawk with the bags that we have here. But that wasn't the case because a lot of them have been here the whole day. And we try to go through town to find people, but no luck. But there is a big kid over there that walked over there. Yeah. So we're going to see if he's going to be able to do all that.
555, bro. 555, bro.
Lay of the land, though. That's the thing. It's just lay of the land. This dude is a beast. He's only using one arm. Bro, this kid's a superhuman.
Trying to get on the rice field, bro.
Oh, okay, sige.
It's raining. It's dark. And this man is trucking it. Look at him.
Bringing about 30 sacks of rice.
30 sacks of rice into that.
About 88 kilos each. And earlier he was
You're stacking two, bro.
bodying two of them at a time.
Salamat ah.
Yeah. One. Bam. Salamat ah.
Salamat.
Kompleto na.
Kompleto na.
We're gonna help out unload these. Yeah, we're gonna have to help out unload these.
Oh, what a drive today. We're all window back.
It's like 80 degrees and you're wearing a winter hat.
Yeah. Dude, that's really nice.
Yeah. Drying the rice, bro. Rice is hot and ready to be served. So it was out drying over there by the auditorium and now they're ready. Thank you. Salamat. Alright, big boy, help him out. There you go.
What is wrong with this connection, bro?
It is amazing that this phone did not explode in this car while we're waiting.
Bro, it's so
for our
hot,
food.
man. Like, it was cloudy and raining earlier, and then every time we go out,
It gets hot. We just made a quick stop at Cafe Azai Cafe.
yeah,
It's like the new #1 spot for us at least because it's like different. It's they did something totally different from what this town has seen before. We definitely want to support the local business because they have great customer service. The owner, she works with her staff and everything like that. We got tacos and french fries this time around, so we're going to show that to you. Jeremy's probably going to do some
Fish tacos.
Oh, nice. We don't have no drinks, so we gotta hurry back home.
This reminds me of Five Guys.
Oh,
where
yeah,
they
just
put
put
the
it in
fries
the bag.
and just dump it at the bottom. It's not as much, but it's still honestly worth the price.
Yeah.
60 pesos is like $1 for that many fries.
And plus, you could get like a bunch of drinks for cheap. We just decided not to get any because we thought we had some water in the car, but that was a fail. But once our parents come back, we're definitely gonna take them out there because it's definitely worth the price. There's certain items there that they could use some work, but other than that, you know, try something else. Look, it's actually a hard taco. Amazing. How's it?
Oh, good.